I
Pero
was...
let me just finish.
Yes, Your
Ang
Honor.
tinatanong
Sorry.
ko lang is kung iyan sinasabi mo ay magpapatunay na una, nakakulong na siya kaya under custodial investigation. May charges na sa kanya. Di ba
During
sinasabi
this...
mo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Para
Meron na
malinaw.
po siyang charges.
Para malinaw. Sige,
Meron
go
na po, Your Honor.
ahead.
So therefore, Your Honor, nagsumbong sa akin si Mayor Espinosa. Sinabi niya, Attorney, meron silang pinapipirmahan sa akin. Sabi ko sa kanya, bakit mo pinirmahan na wala ako? Sabi niya, kasi ang sabi ni Inspector Espinido, ilalagay daw ako sa Witness Protection Program.
Pumayag siya?
He was under coerced, Your Honor, under duress. Sabi niya, natatakot. As a matter of fact, Your Honor, his brother is here also to testify that the mayor said that that affidavit was already prepared.
So sinasabi mo, tinakot talaga siya para pumirma?
Yes, Your Honor.
Pero bakit iba ang pirma?
I don't know, Your Honor, because I was not around when he allegedly signed those
Dala mo ba yung
affidavits.
affidavit na kanyang oath of office? Para makita natin kung pareho?
I don't have
Because
it, Your
nakita namin
Honor.
ni Senator Drilon yung dalawang pirma, magkaiba.
Actually, Your Honor, as I said earlier, what I have are those affidavits of those executed by the mayor.
Alright, before we go on.
For the information of the co-chair, we invited Attorney Villarino both as a resource person
Okay.
and as a counsel kay Kerwin.
I'm sorry, I
So,
was not
kasi siya rin
familiar
yung
with that.
counsel ni late mayor who cannot testify anymore.
Alright, thank you. I just want to point out, I'm getting a lot of calls na sinasabi dito, a lot of Muslim leaders are texting and calling, asking to correct the use of Muslim. They want to be referred to as a tribe of Maranao kung Maranao here. Or whatever tribe. Dahil, ilang, I just want to make it a record na maraming ko. So, kung sasabihin nyo yung nagbibenta, Maranao, Lanao. Diba? Just to make it a record. Para we can be politically correct here if that is the issue. Yeah.
Your Honors, yung sinabi ni Ma'am Villarino, very obvious naman na yung paggawa namin ng affidavit ni Mayor. Hindi ako nagsabi na may kaso siya in that particular matters na siya kinasuhan kasi may mga protector niya. Iba kung may pending or file cases sa kanya, he is free at the time. He is a mayor at the time. Magpunta sa akin sa opisina na magsabi lang ng ganon. Pagkatapos, Your Honors, I just want to clarify that matters. We have pictures, video, simula na magpunta sa nandoon kami sa opisina ng provincial prosecutor, sino ang kausap niya, na makikita talaga, and then, anong kasalanan ng pulis na magsasabi yung isang kliyente, yung isang complainant, kung ano-ano man lang ang isasabi niya. He has his own right at the time, Your Honor. Yung nasabi ko, he is a mayor, he is not, masabi natin yung kaso na yun, mapursigi siya kasi nasa kulungan siya, na magsabi, yun naman ang inano ko, Your Honor, at least may, kung kinakailangan yung...
Ang lumabas kasi sa pahayagan, si Mayor nagpunta sa inyo on his own volition. Hindi siya under arrest.
Yes, Your Honor.
Parang protection ninyo. Is that correct?
Nagingi siya ng...
Yun ang lumalabas sa pahayagan. Yun ang impression ko. Ang sinasabi ngayon ng abogado nila, siya ay under custodial investigation na. Kaya...
Hindi. No, Your Honor.
No.
Yeah, yes. Sorry, Your Honor.
Tingnan mo na yung sinasabi ko dahil iba yan eh. Ang sinasabi niya, kung inaresto niyo siya, dapat you should have told him his rights bago siya pumirma. Pero sinasabi sa pahayagan, at sinasabi mo totoo yan, and that's also my impression, na siya, para maproteksyonan siya, nagpunta siya doon sa iyo para proteksyonan mo siya. Kaya nga kung natatandaan mo, sa last hearing, medyo sinisisi ka siya na naibigay mo siya doon sa baybay, samantalang pwede mo naman siyang ibigay sa NBI o sa ibang lugar. Pumayag kayo doon sa judge, nadali siya doon, kaya siya natepok. Alright?
Yes, Your Honor.
So ano ba talaga ang kanyang sitwasyon? Sabi ng mayor, sabi ng Juan, in your opinion, Attorney Villarino, arestado ba siya na? In your opinion?
Yes, Your Honor. He
Why?
was arrested.
Why? Why did it take you a while to say yes right away?
Because, if I may explain, Your Honor,
Yeah, of course. That's why you're here.
the Mayor Espinosa did not actually go to Inspector Espinido for protection. What happened was that there were two, Chona Milan and Dorotea Maraon. This Chona Milan although these two are from Albuera, they went to see the mayor and told the mayor that it's better so that wala nang gulo ang Albuera, you go to Juvie Espinido and talk with him. The mayor, Your Honor, only wanted one thing, to be the mayor of Albuera and to serve his constituents. Kaya pumayag siya, napuntahan niya si Juvie Espinido kasi sa tingin niya, alam na niya may final na kaso sa kanya na nandyan pa rin siya kung dyan siya kay Juvie Espinido, he was allowed to still function as a mayor. As a matter of fact, he did. He was given another room.
So
beside.
talagang pumunta siya para makapunction siya as mayor.
Pumunta siya because
Walang because doon, ang sinabi mo para makapunction Napaliwanag mo na yun Oh. Para makapunction siya, nagpunta siya kay Espinido.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh.
But then the thing was, there were already cases filed against him.
Oh, that's part of the
Yes.
job.
But my point was, Your Honor, if Inspector Espinido would remember, on October 12, Your Honor, after our arraignment of one of the cases of the mayor, I confronted him at the gate of the Baybay City Sub-Provincial Jail. Sabi ko sa kanya, why did you not tell me that you wanted Mayor Espinosa to execute an affidavit? I should be there because I am his lawyer. As early as August 10 of 2016, you knew already that I was his lawyer because I went there to see you in Albuera on August 12.
Is that the duty of the police lieutenant in your point of view?
Your Honor,
Let me finish. Is that the duty of the police lieutenant? Di ba that is why the Constitution says you have the right to an attorney. If you don't have an attorney, the state will provide you. In other words, he's addressing the accused. I mean, is it now your contention that every policeman should now consult the lawyer?
no, Your Honor. My contention was that the mayor wanted me to be there, but Inspector Espinido answered me, ang layo mo nasa Cebu kaya ang hirap mong hagilapin.
Well,
So basically, Your Honor, my
I
opinion...
am very much for protecting the rights of the accused.
Yes, Your Honor.
But I'm also looking at the pragmatic and the realistic scenario na kung huli mo yung tao, dapat yung tao alam niya kung ano rights na. Kung hahanapin mo yung pulis, hanapin niya lahat ng abogado, hindi na sila makakafunction. Tama ba yan?
Yes, Your
Do you
Honor.
agree?
Yes, Your Honor.
So hindi realistic yung sinasabi niya.
But, Your Honor,
Second round.
No, I'm going to ask na. Ako naman magtatanong. I'll just finish na. Yes.
yes, Your Honor, the mayor was supposed to execute an affidavit. He said he wanted his lawyer to be there. When he told me that he was assisted, this was on the first affidavit, Your Honor. When the mayor insisted that he wanted to be assisted by a lawyer, he was given somebody from the public attorney's office. Now, he told...
By whom?
I don't know, Your Honor. This was just this was just the story of the mayor because he was telling me.
Well,
Mr. Chair.
this is all practically water under the bridge. We all know that he executed an affidavit without assistance of counsel.
Yes, Your Honor.
So we're beating a dead horse here. Let me just ask a few questions, if I may, because I've not had my turn, although I co-chair. No? Number one, Kerwin, ikaw ba nagbigay ka ng pera kay Espinido? Kahit na kailan?
Hindi ako nagbibigay ng pera ni Sir Juvie Espinido.
Pero lahat, halos na makakausap mo, binibigyan mo. Pero siyempre, may network ka di ba? Aalagaan mo yung mga pulis, aalagaan mo yung general, aalagaan mo yung tenyente, aalagaan mo yung kapitan. Bakit hindi ka makapagbigay kay Espinido?
Dahil po sa relasyon naming dalawa nung alita naming dalawa.
Ang alitan nyo ay dahil hinuli ka niya dahil noon nakasama ka ng mga larasabal o ng mga loksin. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yan ang sinabi mo sa pinawit mo, di ba? O, Mr. Espinito.
Opo, Your Honor. Pasensya na po, Bisaya.
Hindi ako na-offend. Bisaya ka eh. Para kausap natin si Manny Pacquiao.
Your Honor.
Sanay kami Manny Pacquiao. Anyway, nawala tuloy yung point ko. So, ang sinasabi natin dito ay hindi ka nakakapagbigay kay Espinito dahil kaaway mo.
Opo, Your Honor.
Siyempre, nasa negosyo ka eh. Kung bibigyan mo yan, mababawasan ang kaaway mo, makakapag-operate ka. Kung negosyante ka tunay. Lalo na nandun yun, naaligid-aligid. O hindi ka nakapagbigay sa niya because alam mo, kaaway mo siya, hindi rin naman niya tatanggapin. Ang sinasabi niya rito, pinapalabas niya, dami na siyang pinaglipatan, tila biktima siya palagi. Pagka may eleksyon, doon siya tatapon, makakaaway niya yung politiko, ililipat siya sa kabila, ililipat siya sa Mindanao, ililipat siya sa Albuera, ililipat siya kung saan. Tama ba yan?
Hindi ko yan alam.
Tama ba yan?
Hindi ko yan alam, Your Honor.
Yan ang sinasabi mo, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, ang tinatanong ko, kung si Espinido ay hindi mo nabigyan, may rasyon ka, dahil baka pahama ka, kaaway mo eh. Pero hindi siya tumanggap, hindi siya tumatanggap.
Hindi talaga.
Hindi siya tumatanggap.
Hindi.
No, linawin mo, Tagalog yung tanong ko eh.
Hindi po.
Si Espinido, alam mong hindi siya tatanggap.
Opo, Your Honor.
At alam mong hindi siya tumatanggap kahit kanino.
Hindi ko alam.
Oh, yun nga.
Sa akin, sa side ko lang po, Your
Hindi siya
Honor.
tatanggap. Sa iyo, hindi siya tatanggap.
Opo, Your Honor.
Good, okay. Now, I just want to ask a few questions kay General Bato. Number one, there are 3 killings of people in jail in Leyte. Maraming tao natutuwa na namamatay yung mga drug pusher, pero hindi natutuwa. Tumitingin sa kabila dahil talagang naging problema yung mga drug pusher sa bansa natin. Sabi nga ni Senator Lacson kanina, natutuwa, blessing si President Duterte, dahil ngayon lang lumalabas itong mga problemang ito. And I agree with him. But on the other hand, marami rin tao hindi natutuwa, taro hindi natutuwa pagka pinapatay nang wala sa lugar. Saang pagpatay? Number 1, Edgar Allen Alvarez. Are you familiar with this guy? General Bato?
Yes, Your Honor. I've heard about his case.
He was killed in Abuyog Penal Colony on August 11. On the strength of a search warrant, pinasok yung Abuyog Penal Colony in Leyte issued by a Judge Janet Cabalona, RTC Branch 33. Are you aware of that?
Yes, Your Honor.
At ang modus operandi ay pareho. Bigyan ng search warrant, pinasok sa loob, pinatay yung tao.
Yes, Your Honor.
Meron bang investigasyon tayo dyan? Sa IAS?
Yes, Your Honor.
Meron
We
ng
have an
resulta?
investigation. Yes, Your Honor. We have the result already.
Ano result niyan?
Drop and close, Your Honor.
Ha?
It was drop and close because it is
Drop
legit-
and close.
Yes, Your Honor.
Walang kaso.
Provisional.
Gumamit ng search warrant, pumasok. Parang bumabayil ka ng isda sa loob ng banyera.
Your Honor, we have our regional IAS here with us. He was the one who investigated the case.
Well, I'll go back to that. No? Pangalawa, Fernando Balagbis, another drug lord. Ito pa ang headline. Tuwa ang mga tao, palakpakan, drug lord, namatay. Pero, natatakot rin ang tao dahil kung papasok kayo sa isang loob ng jail, katulad sa Baybay City Jail, pareho baybay na naman to Baybay pinatay ang tatay ni Kerwin. Pumasok doon at 3 a.m., alas 3 ng madaling araw, at nag-serve ng warrant at October 28, on October 28, 1 week, bago nangyari ito, parang practice kay Espinosa. Pumasok doon at pinatay. Ang judge, pareho, Judge Janet Cabalona ng Samar ata ito. Pareho ang judge ang nag-i-issue ng warrant. Search warrant. Ang search warrant. Ang ibig sabihin, na mukhang nagiging MO ng kapulisan na papasok na may search warrant na hindi naman kailangan at tatanungin ko 2 tao. Secretary of Justice, tama ba ito? May search warrant sa loob ng kulungan.
Very questionable po yan. Sa point
Tanong ko po,
earlier.
tama o hindi?
No.
No. Tama, salamat po. Alam mo siya, sasagot ni General Batot. Mali yan. Sinagot na tayo nila General Benji Magalong rito. Last time. Wala sa lugar yan. Ganun pa rin ang opinion niyo, General.
Sa akin, Your Honor, since wala naman naka-specify na time and date ng execution, Your Honor, I presume na pwedeng iserve yan any time of the day.
Search warrant in jail, Your Honor? Sir?